Session 8. The Band.
Paper Pill is an American rock band that formed in New York in 2000. The lead singer, Eddie Hook, was working in a music shop when Stephen Rich walked in and heard Hook singing along to his favorite band. Rich remembers the moment well.
I was looking for something new to listen to. I walked into this music shop and Eddie was singing. I discovered a new talent. His voice was different. He took all that I knew about vocals and made it his own.
Hook was learning how to play the piano at the time, but didn't consider playing in a band.
I was working the morning shift when Rich walked in. He asked me if I wanted to be in a band. I said yes, and have spent the last 12 years making music.
He says that the music is influenced by Alice in the Box, Sound Park, and Nirvana.